Hi, this is Accutek, the car audio and visual in Winchester. This nice little video of a T6. It's got a full audio upgrade, but again, starting with the really nice and popular KENWOOD DMX9720XDS. Looks really nice in the T6 and the T5 actually. This has got all the usual Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB. It's got multiple camera inputs. Currently we have in reverse, we've got the interface, so that actually shows the image. We put a rear camera in, and just here has got the parking sensor section here. Take it out, back to normal. Works through all the steering wheel controls. Volume up and down, answer and end, forward and back track. If you'd like to have this fitted into one of your cars, please give us a call, 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.